Lesson 1. Revenge feels like purpose until you have nothing else. Thorfinn believed revenge gave him identity, but revenge is a borrowed purpose. It disappears the moment it's fulfilled or taken away. His life collapses after Askeladd dies because Thorfinn never learned who he was without hatred. Lesson: if your purpose depends on someone else's downfall, it's not purpose, it's a prison. Lesson 2. Hatred ages you faster than battle. Thorfinn is young, but his eyes look old. That's what hatred does. It rots you from the inside. You think anger makes you strong, but it drains your joy, your energy, your future. Lesson: anger gives you power for a moment, but it steals your life in the long run. Lesson 3. A true warrior doesn't need a sword. Thor said it. Askeladd understood it. Thorfinn learned it the hard way. Anyone can pick up a weapon, but only the strong can choose not to use one. Lesson: real strength is control, not violence. Lesson 4. Trauma isn't your fault. Healing is your duty. Thorfinn didn't choose his suffering, but he chose what came next. He chose to grow, to forgive, to rebuild. Lesson: your past can wound you, but only you decide if it defines you. Lesson 5. Forgiveness frees you, not them. Thorfinn forgave Askeladd, not for Askeladd's sake, but because he refused to be chained to hatred anymore. Lesson: forgiveness is a weapon for peace, not approval. Lesson 6. Your environment shapes who you become. Around warriors, Thorfinn became a blade. Around farmers and slaves, he became human again. Lesson: if you want to change your life, change who you stand next to. Lesson 7. You can rise even from zero. Thorfinn lost everything: purpose, freedom, identity, the rage, the guilt, the version of himself he hated. Lesson: conquer your inner chaos, and nothing outside can stop you. Lesson 8. Strength without kindness is just fear. People feared Thorfinn, but nobody respected him until he found compassion. Lesson: kindness with strength builds trust. Strength without kindness builds enemies. Lesson 9. Dreams mean nothing without action. Everyone dreams of peace. Only Thorfinn actually moves toward it, crossing oceans, leaving his past, changing himself. Lesson: a dream only matters when you start walking toward it. Lesson 10. Your biggest enemy is within. Thorfinn fought warriors, kings, and armies, but none were harder than the battle inside him. The rage, the guilt, the version of himself he hated. Lesson: conquer your inner chaos, and nothing outside can stop you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more powerful self-improvement breakdowns.